Okay, well, welcome to the very late year, or late season, I guess I should say. This is 2017, beginning of 2017. Nor'easter. I hate the word nor'easter, which they would just, the Northeast people would just say all their consonants. I know the Massachusetts ones are the worst. Anyway, pretty good storm. And only halfway through. Wow, that wind is tough. Looking down my driveway. Yeah, this is not going to be a whole lot of fun to clear. I'm up to my knees. Let's see if we can see the hole there. Yeah, that's pretty deep. It's let me see how deep this is. Yeah, this is going to be a weird video because power's out, and I was planning on doing a whole bunch of stuff today, but you know what, it ain't gonna happen. So let's see. Oh wow, yeah, that's it's got to be 16 inches so far. I guess what, Boston got it last year. Well, we're getting this year. Wonder how long this is going to go. It's midday, according to Weather Underground. We're only about halfway done. Then again, Weather Underground is kind of flaky, isn't it? Do any of you guys use Weather Underground? And do you also find it flaky? The forecast is generally pretty good, but yeah, things just don't load properly, and there are all sorts of weird glitches and all that. Anyway, so yeah, thought I'd give you guys a shot of what it's looking like out there. Power's down, been down for about an hour and a half maybe. Looking at the outage map, it's all over the place. I'm doing okay. I stocked up for the storm. I figured I'm not leaving this place for 2 days because you realize, yeah, I have to clear all this. This is my driveway, and it's the one way in and out. So like I said, stocked up. I have plenty of food, plenty of water. Still enough residual heat in the building, so that's fine. One of the cats is kind of scared witless. The other one is taking it in extreme stride. He's probably seen it before. Got some booze, so a certain amount of that in my veins keeping me warm. Let's take a look at the road. So yeah, pretty nasty. The winds are high. Yep, very few plows have been here. Just looking at the road, it looks like they've done a very small amount of plowing, but I can understand why. Because it is a bit of a losing battle at this point, especially if we are just roughly about halfway done. So yeah, extremely white video, isn't it? Looking up the road, looking down the road. Oh yeah, I'm stuck here for a while. There are my tracks. All right, well, not sure what the point of this video was. I was gonna get all sorts of stuff done, but can't really do that. The warehouse is a little dark. Emergency lights don't really do a whole lot of good. You know, they mostly illuminate how to get out. So I'll see what I can do. You know, it's too dark to read tube numbers or sort things. Internet's down. So, yeah, not much I can do. So, well, what the hell? Shoot a video. And, well, that's about that. So, anyway, I don't know what the point of this was. If you like it, like it. You know, I can always use likes. Why not? It's a growing channel. Growing slowly, but it grows. Maybe check out my my older videos. Maybe if you're stuck inside in here in the Northeast and you still have internet access, hey, watch all my videos. Or not. Okay, see you later.